take as in they maltreat us as like animal, will not be anything. They go they beat us from morning to night. They go see the focus on no food, no water, nothing. I dey stay for Italy since almost 2 years and 1 month now. My mother died the time a newborn me, and when my father come the hospital, heart attack on my dad, and the same thing. So from the hospital, now one woman come, they come carry me come out from the hospital, begin take care of me as a pikin. When I don't reach 12 years, now the woman can't let me know say not being born me. So he said I need to know, as in I need to know about myself before I can't jam one woman. So the woman can't tell me say from the same tribe with me. Now I can't tell the woman say how my situation be. So he can't carry me go my village. As he can't tell them, now one man, that is one man, the man can't say be my uncle, say no, only my. So for them now, even my village, that I walk on still there about all those king of 18. So when I reached there, through that period, that war, now they can't kill my auntie, so now they can't kill my uncle. So they won't stab her. The way I take back my uncle, now they can't give me the stabbing for my waist here. I spent for hospital almost 2 months and 2 weeks. They dump me for hospital. Doctor come they treat me. So for them, I not get who go pay me come out for the hospital. Now I come run come out for the hospital. Now the guy when I come the date, he can't tell me say he won't carry me come Europe. Say one of his brother, one of his sister, they get one big supermarket. I was okay. So now I come see the place not far. I was okay. So as he come they carry me now, he can't come me one woman come carry me. So as the woman come they carry me now, the woman come say okay, safe now. So we must go a village first. So as we pass away to her, now come they ask the woman, say whether we never reach. The woman say man no worry, say we never reach. We reach the land where no water, no food, no house, no good living for the place, which is desert. We can't reach one place, now still desert though. We can't reach Gatron. As we reach Gatron, come and do give one man for Gatron. They tell me say na the boy when I call my boyfriend na the date for Nigeria, say na carry me give this woman, so na the woman now come carry me give him. Say na money take carry me for your hand. Say I need to pay and the money. How much be the money? Say na 200,000. I say I not buy anything for your hand. So how you say make I take pay you 200,000? But tell me say till then say I go no. So okay. So now there I can't tell. So take the man now I can't still call another person for Tripoli. So as you can't call the woman for Tripoli, can't come one man. Can't tell the man say I don't the country Tripoli. So now the man can't send her 500,000. When I reach Tripoli, now the man come carry us. As he carry us finish, so from that December, can't stay and me go give one Calabar woman. So as I reach the Calabar woman house, the girls when I see for them, many girls, different tribe. When I reach there, the first thing they tell me, they say, "You are welcome. You are welcome from Ashawo house." I say, "No, what should be say you are welcome from Ashawo house?" I don't understand. Now they tell me, say very soon, so I will understand. anytime when man enter, they carry them, they enter inside house. After they don't do what they do finish, they'll still come outside. All the girls were there inside, can't tell me say I not get choice. Say I need to do what do much if I no grade one. You go carry me go say give Arab people. So as one man come and the man won't come carry me, won't go walk. When I tell the man say I beg, I know they do not the woman beat nonsense come over my life. As he beat me finish, he said do we say I must carry the man go inside go walk him. Me now they talk now. Many people now still take prison. Many people now still take madam. I don't be say madam said they don't even frustrate their life. They don't even know go come. They don't even know go. They don't even know come. We be say if the marks if ever did their police if ever worst pass man even private parts. If you be virgin enter Libya. You know what they take this virgin now? Even concumba self na small one. Concumba na small one. Na wood now they took for woman body. Take this virgin wood. Maybe now you tell madam say you no go fuck or you no want pay money. And you they take the iron cloth you go put them for you go suck up for electric. Go use and take iron your breast with your back or your body. You go disfigure the person. You go disfigure the woman body. So I no waste time for them, but I pay almost 2.6 million. I'm waiting and pay when I tell Libya. So when I come out for the connection, I say I go stay for living house. So for the living house when I stay and Arabo they disturb. For them now they come boss the living house. Back all of us go prison. So for that the same prison, Arabo people as in they focus anyhow, even from Nyash. Many people they die for there, people they born for there, they go born finish it, they go die, even the pikin say go stay die. So we just stayed there. I spent prison for almost 6 months there and beating every day, injuring every day, no water, no food, nothing. I escaped from the prison when the boys break the prison where they pull hole. They just iron to open one hole like that. So many people escape. They shoot many people. Many people die. Many people ever for inside river. Many people die and they kill many people. Many people still safe. So now still tell me for still escape. Before you do Arabo work, you have to have the passport. So no money to do passport. So for there, as we come they go, we won't go look for work now. Stay Arabo man. Then they still carry me go another prison again. They carry me go the prison. They beat nonsense come off my. So they ever use knife to tear my breast. They beat nonsense come off my body. They fuck me every time because of the lie when I lie. Just to save my head. So after what they beat me, they fuck me anyhow. Both the nose, both any corner. They beat hair. When I mean hair, beat hair come off my life. So through that period, now I get belly. I get belly. I think inside prison and many people will carry belly for Arabo. Many people will be say they don't carry belly. Many people will be say chicken pox don't carry. Many people will be say they still contact HIV. Many people will be say they don't even turn to skeleton. All of them inside the prison. No food. You don't feel sleep comfortable. You go ever be safe. You go ever still drink your piss. Then boys not feel be again. People begin to jump fence. That must say, okay, make us use the last strength when I get to jump the fence. As I just escape, just be like saying now God just carry me go there. I can't see say that they load people for inside inside the boat where people take the load. So now me come tell them say I did the monk and then they still push me, follow the people where they. It's not easy. not dey easy at all. So the water self don't dey enter inside the boat. The boat self don't dey go down. We can't tell they use cloth the cloth where the people where the rest people wear. They can't they put that for inside the balloon. You soak and you press the water come outside, you put it inside, you soak the water come outside, the water come the many for inside the boat. So to the boat don't they go inside the water. Everybody they cry, everybody they Muslims they pray, Christians they pray, everybody they cry. So almost 15 hours now was spent for top of the sea. Now for miscarriage, everywhere come for so blood. A person sit down for you. They get where they tell lapos now. As they lapos, you know feel straight, you know feel bend yourself. And this injury now see they pin me, and you know feel just move your body like this, and people just sit down for top of my body. So my body, the period just come outside, begin bleed. We spend almost 4 days, I'll be 5 days for inside ship before I can begin to get myself. I know they feel eat, I know they feel what, I know they feel do anything because of this injury. So they gave me cold water, my drink. I go use the cold water, sit there, they pump on my body because that time a big sore. Before they can carry us go Sicily. When I open my Facebook, so I don't know how the woman see me for Facebook. He said because I go still pay her money. I said, which money I won't pay you again? I said, no, I don't want pay you any money because I know the whole money. The woman say if I don't pay money, you go swear for me, you go use Ayala Latte swear for me. I don't believe on juju. Me, I don't believe all those things. Because I wish I believe by now I've never been alive by now. Me myself, I don't know say na Libya they carry me they come. Cause I think say na village they carry me they go. Make I forget they do the supermarket. Me no know say na Libya they carry me they come. They cannot make on they use me to chop money when I don't know, I don't buy anything for their hand, I don't do anything. They just collect almost 200 there, almost 2.6 million. Now they collect from my hand for just I don't know anything. I don't even know what I do where they take collect that kind of amount for me. And the money when they talk now my body now they work out. If I know, say now so the country be for no come. Unwachuku kainario ebube chuku kainario. Unwachuku kainario. Many meo anukunja gekuma. Anukunja gekuma. Anukunja gekuma. Oye nario gerumaka.